Welcome once again to my page. Wherever you're watching from, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, I know what we're doing here is not that professional or like all those beautiful ones, but please help us grow our page by liking, commenting, or by subscribing. Thank you. So today we'll be doing some vibrant colors, a mix of purple, blue, and black. Cause I feel like it's gonna be a vibrant day. So we are done with our eyeshadow primer, which is a must. So if you need your eyeshadow to pop out very well, you need the eyeshadow primer. Now I'll be starting with my purple color. See how my eyeshadow is popping. Once the eyeshadow is an original one, a well pigmented eyeshadow, it's gonna pop out like this. Now we'll run it over with the blue color. Always turn your video to landscape. Always switch it to landscape to properly view YouTube videos. Landscape will bring the video closer to you. So don't forget to switch it on to landscape. So now I'll be running this over with a black mixed with dark brown shade. A dark brown and black. So it will give us this effect. Now I want to using dark brown. Almost. And here I want to brighten my upper crease. So let's run it over with our purple, because our blue might have covered the most part of it. Now I want to brighten it. I use a violet. That's violet color. I want a lighter shade of a purple, so I apply the violet shade. So once you're done, I want to use pigment instead of glitters. So just tap your hand on your eyeshadow. No need to apply glitter glue. So we blend it over again with our brush. So how do you guys see it? I quite love it. Here's the final results. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.